Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a Flexi Rod mini afro, and we're going to do it with my texture hair, which is 4C in the middle, super thick tight curl pattern, but right in the front it is very loose, like right in the front center, the immediate front. That's the only reason why I didn't just comb out my natural hair to do a nice big curly fro, because it would be an inconsistent curl pattern. Now, the reason for that is why it's so loose in the front is because I usually do like leave outs when I do my sewing, and I completely have heat ends right in the front. So right now all we're doing is taking all of the rods from my hair, just removing them one by one, and you'll see just how defined some of them are. Just going through my hair, like, let me make sure I did not miss one. Just feel going through. There we go, and they're all out. We're going to use this nice oil. I actually use this oil for my son's locks, just saturating my fingers with it so that I can separate each curl one by one, just taking my time, rolling my fingers over some of them when I separate them, going through each one by one, just pulling apart the curls. So I've had the Flexi rods in my hair for about 24 hours. I did them the day prior, and I leave them in so long because I know when I allow them to air dry, they take a whole lot longer to pretty much set before I take them out. Because I know when I take them out and they're wet, then they lose definition immediately. If the weather is temperamental and it's humid, poof, it's a whole afro, which isn't a problem, but I do like my definition. So what I ended up doing when I did them 24 hours prior, I sat under the hooded dryer immediately after they were done, and I put it on low. I was doing increments of 20 minutes, so 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there. So 20 minutes, small break, 20 minutes, small break, and I did that about 3 or 4 times. Again, it was on low, just giving my hair a little bit of a break in between. Plus, it's really annoying sitting under the hooded dryer. Here I am just going through and separating, making sure I don't miss anything. Taking my time, and now we're going to use our wide tooth comb to kind of pick out from the roots. So I'm taking my time and I'm picking out from the roots, making sure I don't lose my definition of the curls at the end, allowing the roots to be fluffed up nice and big. Going around the base, the top. Ooh, keep that definition. Separate and pull. Separate and pull. There we go. Going through all of the hair, pulling from the roots around the edges. Keep that definition, girl. And it's crazy because there are some areas that did not fully keep the definition, and I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna Flexi rod again. I don't want to put too much tension on my hair, so I might do it a day or two later. Just a little bit more product. And I just made sure that I distributed the product from roots to ends, brushing it through with my wide tooth comb when I initially put in the Flexi rods. And I'll show the products right at the end. I'll drop them in the comment section too, so we know exactly which products we use for this. So combing, fluffing out. Okay, this cute little mini afro is, right, it's coming together. It's coming together. Shake, shake, shake. Here we go. Still combing out. You know your hair, you be like, oh my god, please be cute, please be cute, please be cute. Because nothing's worse than using your product, having a vision in mind, and then you take it out and you're like, yo, what is this? What is this? And then you be crying in your head like, damn, how can I make this work? Yeah, so that's what I was thinking, like, oh my god, please be cute. Please let it at least be something that I could work with. Like, come on. So still combing, and I think I combed a little bit too much on that corner that we just did, because you'll see it's a little fluffier than the rest, and it doesn't have as much detail, but that's okay. That is okay. We're gonna floof it out, just fluff it out a little bit, separate and fluff. Just pull a little bit. Yes, oh my god, I'm loving the curls in the front. Look at that. Getting right at the base. It's crazy how much shrinkage just, you know, makes you look bald-headed. I'm pulling at the ends. I'm like, yo, my hair is, I got a little limp here, but you can't tell because, you know, the curls. But that's okay. That is all right. I'm gonna pull, separate. All right, how we feeling? Okay, this came together. Okay. All right, you cute, you cute. All right, so what products did we use? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop this. It's a nice cream like texture, and then the olive oil, which is the mousse. I use both of them. Yes, let's go through. Finish fluffing it out. Get them roots, girl. Yes. All right, this feels fine. This feels like it may have worked. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. I'm gonna need you to like, comment, subscribe, show me some love here. But this is the style. This is it. Bye.